Good everyone, my name is Graphics. In this video, we will be learning on how we can reproduce the figure that is displayed on the screen, right? In Tangency, that means how to use the principle of tangency to reproduce the figure that is displayed on the screen. Now, if you look at the figure, I have already reproduced it here, but there's some secrets I would like to expose to you in how to reproduce this figure here, right? We have two major things we should be considering. One of them is internally and external circle. Internal circle and external circle. We say when the circle is internal, you are going to subtract, and when the circle is external, you are going to subtract. Now, what do I mean by saying internal and external? Now, let's consider these two circles. We have up to like 7 circles here. How did I mean? We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5, right? Now, since we have another radius here, as you can see, meaning that is a 6th circle, we have another radius here, as you can see, that is the 7th circle, because a radius makes up what? A circle. Now, if you look at when I was constructing this is the center of the circle here, right? So what do you notice? This is a bigger circle. This is what? A bigger circle. Meaning that these two circles that I'm considering, right, are inside the bigger circle. They are inscribed on the circle. Is that okay now? So we say this such a circle is internal. An internal circle, you are going to what? Subtract. So that means I'll take the radius of the circle because in tangency we work with radius. So if you are given in diameter, you convert to what? To radius. So I'll be converting this 34 to radius, that will give me 17. So I have to subtract it from 88. So whatever I get, I'll place at the center here. I'm going to strike an arc. I'll come here also, take the radius of this other circle, which is the diameter is 48, and this is, I'll take 24. I'll subtract it from 88, place at the center, I'll also strike another circle. So where they meet, right, will be the center of this radius of the circle here, right, which I will use to draw my tangential arc. So I just using part of the circle. So you see the logic? So internal circle, you subtract radiuses, like an external circle. Now look at this. If we are considering these two circles here, right? If you notice something, this is the center of the circle here when I was constructing them, right? If I should show you this is what we have. Can you see? I hope you can see what I'm showing you. So these two circles, can you see? They're outside. The smaller circle is outside the bigger circle. You can see that. So we'll say that it is external. And external circle, we subtract. So I'll be subtracting this one, the two radiuses from this other radius you have here. So if I have radius of 8, I will add it to 36, right? Will give me 44. Place at the center here, I'll strike an arc. I'll come here also, add the radius of this with the radius of 24, half of 48. I'll place at the center here, I'll strike another arc. Where they meet will give me the circle that will be tangential to both of the circle. Is that okay now? Now, if you look at the diagram, this is just giving an arc. I told you every radiuses have a circle. So I just draw the complete circle to just show you. Is that okay? And this line you see is just a straight line joining this bigger circle and this smaller circle tangentially. Hope you get the logic. So the key word I want you to understand in this lecture here is that in tangency, you focus on the radiuses. When you're given diameter, you must convert to what? Radius. And in tangency, look which of the arc is tangentially, that is internal, or that is external, which I just explained to you using this question here. Is that okay? So this is what we have, and this is how you can construct this diagram using the principle of tangency. And if you feel like you want to watch the complete video of this on how to do this practically and step by step, you can click on this link that is displayed at the top right corner of the screen here, right? or you check the description box below, or you wait until it will be displayed at the end screen of this video. So if you have found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share the video. Thanks for watching.